Hey everyone, it is Kiki Garcia. Welcome to another episode of Mental Mosaic. So, of course, here we deal with a lot of things, emotions, how we're feeling, but I am a firm believer that the inside needs to be taken care of as well as the outside. And if things are going good inside, well, at least that's half the battle. I'm very excited to be joined today by Olivia Nichols. She's a food enthusiast and also an at-home chef. And we're going to talk about spring cleaning of our diet, really. I mean, we need it. We need to clear out all the junk that we have in our pantry and the fridge and kind of get back to the good stuff in life. Olivia, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
So tell us a little bit about your background. I know at-home chef, I love that. I do that too as well. And I love to come up with different creations. What about you?
Yeah, so I'm an at-home chef and also a food enthusiast, and what that means is I, like to study food. I learn all about food. I work with different food brands. It's a lot of fun, and one of the things that is so important to talk about is spring cleaning, because we think about spring cleaning our house or our garage, but we never really think of spring cleaning our diets. And I think food is such an integral part to being healthier and having kind of, like you said, feeling better on the inside, but also feeling better on the outside because of that. So I think it's important that this time of year, especially, to kind of go through our diet and our pantries and to see what's good and what's not.
I know, why do we hang on to so much junk? So my dad, and I talk about this all the time, my dad recently passed away and he left behind a pantry stuffed with canned soup, canned beans, pasta, and it's hard for me to get rid of it because I feel like, well, obviously it's something that he must have been passionate about because he has tons of it, but it's not really doing me any good to hang on to it. Why do we have such trouble with getting rid of food? I always blame growing up. We used to always hear about everyone in Ethiopia is starving right now, so you got to eat everything. And I think that really affected me mentally. What do you think?
Well, I think that does have a big part in it. I think it's that cleaning the plate as well. We were always raised to clean our plates. And as we know as adults, it's not always good to keep eating when you're full, but it goes for our pantry as well. And I think, just a rule of thumb, if you haven't touched it or eaten it in about 6 months, I would just, maybe think about the local food pantry. As long as it's something that, is non-perishable and still at a good date. And I think in the case of your father's pantry, I think you can think of it as, a good thing. You're doing a good thing and giving to other people. And that's something that he would have liked as well. So I think if you can pay it forward and do good things with that, I think great. If you're like my mother and I find a box of Jell-O that's from 1993, it's going in the trash. So sometimes things just get stuck in there and you just never know it. But I think as long as, you're kind of, and in the case of the plate, if you don't want to be wasteful with your plate, take less and take a smaller plate. I tend to take a smaller plate than the rest of my family because I'm like, oh, I don't need all that space. And if you have all that space, you tend to take more anyways.
Mm-hmm. You do. So tell us a little bit about what's in front of you. Barney Butter. What exactly is this?
Yeah, so Barney Butter is a great way to replace some of the things that you have in your pantry that maybe aren't as healthy. Barney Butter, it's actually, so this is blanched almond butter. And what that means is they blanch the almonds, the skins off. So it's smooth, silky, spoon-worthy texture, kind of like peanut butter, but it's better than peanut butter, and it's peanut free, which is important because a lot of people, have allergies or might have children that have allergies. So really just a great tasting almond butter, great thing to replace because it's got more vitamins, more nutrients. It's got, the good fats in there that make it so important. And, it's non-GMO and gluten-free. So some really great things that are inside Barney Butter, and they come in different flavors. So you have the regular smooth, you have the chocolate, and then you also have, you know, the Bear Smooth, which has the no added salt or no added sugar if you really want to go really, really healthy. But I personally like the smooth. I think it tastes great. It can be used on a peanut butter and jelly, just the same as you would with peanut butter, but you're kind of you have those cleaner ingredients, those better for you ingredients. And this particular one's better because of the smooth texture.
That sounds delicious. Almond butter is such a great little snack too. I know you shared some recipes with me. I have some emails from you that I'm going to share as well in the link, but I'll share something with you. So I'm always trying to, you know, do whatever, keto, Atkins, whatever, but I get a craving for something like a little bit sweet, a little bit of the almond butter with a little bit of the fat-free Cool Whip is so good. It is just enough. And I mean, I do like a little souffle cup of it, and it is just perfect. Like it just hits the spot. So I'm
you have to try the chocolate.
I know. I'm excited to try this. So where can we get this?
Yeah, so you know, in your area, it's best at Smith's, Whole Foods, Walmart, Albertsons, and Sprouts. So there's a lot of locations that you can get it, but you can go to barneybutter.com and just order it right off the website, and also get some great recipes as well.
I love it. And what's the website again?
Sure, barneybutter.com. And so it's just to spell that out for you, it's BARNEYBUTTER.com.
And it's just fun to say.
Yeah,
right?
It is. It's fun to say. I would agree with that.
Right? I love it. Well, I will put all that information in the link. And again, thank you so much for being with us today and really opening my eyes. We really do have to take care of our insides, and we also have to treat ourselves every once in a while. And almond butter sounds delicious right now. I think I'm going to go have some myself. I actually have some in my pantry right now because I already know Barney butter is delicious.
Awesome. Thanks for having me on.
All right. Have a great day. Thank you so much.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye.